I don't know what to start with. So yeah, we've got corn and we've got some black beans. And we're going to be making one of Cameroon's favorite, probably my favorite growing up, which is CornChaff. So stay tuned, I got you. So I've got my beans. So if you're from Cameroon, you know this is boiled corn. So normally this takes like a long time to cook. So listen, just get it pre-cooked and save some time. L'haricot noir. Yeah, a CornChaff. So this is corn and beans. So that's ready. You cook the corn and the beans together. Yeah, some salt. The common Cameroon dish which we eat in the some green herbs. So it's basically parsley, country onions, and it gives it one special flavor out of this world. So I'm just gonna add into that. Some crayfish. So this would have been vegan friendly without the crayfish. And yeah, and there you go. Flavors out of this world. This I can remember clearly. Wow.